Well, hello ladies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create handmade pre-looped crochet individual box braids. Now these are definitely convenient when you're looking for a certain size of braids or length, not to mention these are extremely cheap to make and it's also very easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, here we go. So first you are going to need a thick shoelace, or you can even use a thin yarn and wrap around the chair multiple times to create some thickness. As you can see here, I am tying the shoelace at the corner very tightly. And now it's time to start. The braiding hair I'm going to use today is by Expression, and it's this very pretty ombre color. Alright, so I'm going to grab a section like this. Now obviously this depends on how thick you want your braid to be, of course. And yeah, I'm going to section out 1/3 of the bundle. With the 1/3 section, I'm going to fold over like this to make a third leg. And now I have 3 legs. You see the third leg with the split pieces? I'm going to go under and over like this and start braiding, baby. And all you have to do is braid all the way down, and this is how it looks. Easy, right? I played with different colors because I'm about to arrange and install them like balayage ombre. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. And what I love about this do-it-yourself pre-looped box braids is that I can take my time, braid them, and take breaks as I please, because honestly, like, doing braids like this in one sitting this long, it's gonna take forever. Anyway, that is all. I'm gonna come up with 2 more videos for crochet box braids. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.